horse. Do you have a card? She wants to ride it. Oh my God. Oh my God. We just got hit by a ball. Where's your son? The arcade at Great Wolf Lodge, and the kids are just running around like playing with the different games. They don't even care if they have little cards to swipe. Oh my God. We just got hit by a ball. Oh my God. Oh my God. We just got hit by a ball. So we had a lot of fun at the water park. Is this the way to the elevator?
Yeah.
Did you have fun at the water park?
Absolutely.
We had fun at the water park, and we had a bit of an accident with Talal, which we'll show you. But Talal was climbing up a slide as usual and tripped, and his tooth bit his bottom lip quite bad. So there was like blood everywhere, and one of their, they had really fast attention to it though. Like one of their people came, and he was like with gauze and helping the bleeding stop. They have this really cool. He's sleeping. Is he sleeping?
Yes.
He's sleeping.
Wake up.
Let's keep going. Keep going. Let's go. So they have all that kind of really cool stuff. But anyway, so he was bleeding everywhere and screaming and crying, and they put some gauze on him, but he's doing much better now. Alhamdulillah. So everything's fine. We took showers and got dressed, and now we're gonna go down to dinner, and so you guys can join us down there. Come on, let's go. Come on, sissy. He's awake? Okay, let's go. Come on. So we're gonna go down to dinner, and we'll see how that goes with the kids. Come on, this way.
This way.
Hi.
How's your lip? Show us your lip. Oh, you bit his lip. Oh, and Sissy was very worried, and she was like, where's Bubba? Is he okay? And she was really worried about him, so I thought that was very sweet of her.
Come on, guys.
Looks like a spooky house. Cool.
I think someone's in here.
Ooh, it's spooky.
It has a witch.
Isn't that neat?
This is on the bear.
Cute. He's a big great wolf bear. You okay? Okay, that's enough kisses. We don't know how clean he is. Ready? Are we gonna go to dinner? This is super cool. And they have like, you can play checkers in these gift shops. They have really cute stuff. We'll go in there. Come on, let's go. Let's go, bye, we're leaving. How's your dinner? Yummy?
Sit.
Yes. He's eating like all carbs. Jenna's eating all carbs. And now she's gonna have fruit. And Daddy loaded your plate with a lot of fruit instead of a couple of pieces. Ooh, are you wearing your new tiger shirt? Tiger in the monster truck. So cool. Mommy has, they have a kind of pasta on demand area where they make your own. And so I had Alfredo pasta made with tomatoes, mushrooms, spinach, red pepper, and shrimp. So I'm enjoying this. This is really yummy. And they have like an Italian buffet going on, which is really cool. So the kids are eating. We have some carrots, Brussels sprouts, a bunch of different stuff. So we're having fun. You like your fruit?
I'm in dessert.
You're eating dessert. What do you call it?
That's
That's dessert. They have these really cool drinks too. You can just buy one and then refill it over and over again. So we just got one and we have been refilling the kids' cups with it too. So we're like, you know, beat them at their game.
Can I take these?
I got cupcakes. Chocolate chip cupcakes. Chocolate chip brownies. Sprinkles.
Yummy, yum. And Bubba got brownie with sprinkles and cookies. How's that cookie? Bubba's lip hurts, my poor baby. Are you gonna try your cupcake?
I'll take this back.
Yum, yum. Whoops. What happened? You got chocolate on your mouth. Wipe it off. Oh, so glad we had that bath. Are you silly too? I think we're all gonna sleep really good tonight because we've eaten like a ton of food.
Pajama party.
So much, yeah, we have the pajama party coming up very soon. So I'm gonna give you a quick little tour of the buffet. We'll start, they have like fruit and stuff here, which is nice. We've got some roasted carrots, pasta, risotto. It's like Italian night, so there's lots of cool stuff. The Brussels sprouts were really good. Some hot bread. Of course, for the kids' favorite, they have Rice Krispie treats, cheesecake, cookies, cupcakes. And my daughter needs to go pee-pee. The kids are having a lot of fun. Ready to howl?
Story time.
Thank you, Hassan. The clock tower show was really cool though. All these little characters were singing and dancing. It was really cool. So it is the next morning and the kids had lots of fun and the battery is exhausted.